Today, I'll be showing you how to keep member identities hidden in Telegram channels, a must if you want everyone in your channel to remain truly anonymous. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how Telegram channels safeguard member privacy, but also learn a few extra privacy tricks to maximize anonymity for yourself and your community. Let's jump right in. The first thing to know is that Telegram channels are designed with privacy in mind. When you create a channel, whether it's public or private, Telegram automatically hides your member list. That means nobody, not even the channel owner, can see a full list of subscribers. All that's visible is the total number of people in the channel. This is really different from Telegram groups, where anyone inside the group can usually see a list of members, unless admins tweak the privacy settings. So if hiding who's in your community is your top priority, channels are the way to go. Imagine channels like a radio station. You're broadcasting your message out to listeners, but you never see exactly who's tuned in. In groups, it's more like a public square, everyone standing around, able to see and interact with each other. Now, let's talk about why this difference matters. If you're running a community where people might not want their association visible, maybe it's a support group, a sensitive fan channel, or an organization sharing insider updates, using a channel ensures everyone stays anonymous. Others will only know the number of subscribers, not their names or profiles. There's no extra settings you need to enable for this, it's simply how channels work. However, in groups, member visibility is the default. Basic groups let all members see each other. While admins do have some control over privacy in supergroups and special cases, it's still much less private than a channel. If you need real-time conversation rather than one-way broadcasting, you might want a group, but keep in mind the trade-off in anonymity. Now let's talk about your personal privacy. Even though channels protect member identities as a whole, you might want to take some extra steps to keep your own Telegram profile as private as possible. For example, maybe you don't want your real name, phone number, or username being seen by anyone anywhere across Telegram. If that's the case, head into your Telegram privacy settings. Here you can set the option "Who can see my phone number" to nobody. This ensures your actual phone number isn't visible to anyone except yourself. You can also set "Who can find me by my number" to my contacts. This way, only people you've already connected with directly will be able to discover you by searching your number. And here's a neat trick for ultimate anonymity. If you don't want to display a username at all, you can actually save an empty username in your settings. This removes your handle from your profile, making it much harder for people to identify or reach out to you directly from your Telegram account. To recap, channels are built for privacy, with member lists always hidden and only the subscriber count shown. If true anonymity is your goal, make sure you're using a channel, not a group. And don't forget to check your personal privacy settings for that final layer of protection. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Telegram privacy or want to share your own tips, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.